Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by validating that maintenance is active and not a local problem. First, read the in-game banner or developer post so you know the scheduled end time. This prevents wasted fixes. Next, force close Dragon Ball Legends, clear cache or app data, and reboot your phone because residual processes often block reconnection. Once done, toggle Wi-Fi and cellular data. Network route can be the culprit, so make sure to test both before moving to deeper fixes. If simple steps fail, you need targeted network and account actions. You should toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to reset the radio, then retry. This often clears stuck sockets. If the game appears region locked or overloaded, connect via a reliable VPN to a nearby country because routing can bypass congested nodes. Also, re-authenticate your account, log out and log in, or remove conflicting secondary accounts, since session tokens can become invalid during maintenance. For stubborn cases, reinstalling is the final local remedy. Uninstall the game and reinstall from the official store, making sure any local save is backed up because reinstall clears cache. Before you do that, recheck official server status so you don't reinstall during ongoing maintenance. If the issue persists, contact customer support with device model, OS version, exact error text and timestamps so they can correlate logs. This speeds resolution. Troubleshooting tip. If errors continue, try a different device to...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.